Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill, and today surprisingly we will take a look at the small Star Wars polybag of 2023. This is a set number 30654 X-Wing Starfighter, one of my favorite Starfighters from Star Wars movie. Yes, I like Star Wars movie, especially old films, and this set is a part of a series dedicated to 40th anniversary of the 6th episode Return of the Jedi. It's not my first X-Wing. I have a pretty big model 10240, and also I have very small X-Wing from Advent calendar, and this is in the middle, not so small and not so big. The set has one-page instruction. The instruction sheet is pretty small. Here we have actually not too many steps. Of course, wings are the same, and only 14 stages in total. No stickers. And this is the final model. The set has some spare pieces, and I like the result. Probably it can be improved, because in this polybag designer, I think, tried to optimize pieces and so on. That's why we have studs here, but it's very easy to replace these pieces by tiles, and this part will look more smooth, more organic. Here we have cool details like a cabin and droid, and also of course engines, parts from lightsaber, and also here we have parts from lightsabers and ski poles. Very cool, very nice decision. I like how it looks. Maybe it would be better to add one by one round system plates, like transparent pink plates. Maybe you understand what I mean, because I think these plates were used for this purpose, to show the engines in other Star Wars sets. But in general, I like this model. Of course, it should be a bit reinforced. You can see that it's not very stable, I think because of parts optimization. Yeah, but we can add a few more extra pieces, and I think we can add a support to place it in different way. We can open wings to attack position. Very cool model, even with functions. So I like this set very much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts about this set in your comments. What do you think about this very tiny Star Wars Starfighter? Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!